Thank you. Waiting for other subscribers to join. As other subscribers are checking in, and you could make your comment below, and hopefully I will see enough of the comments to start the live stream in about a minute's time. I will make a longer introduction to give more time. A minute's time should be enough time. 2 minutes time will definitely be better time. So now that you are ready, I am about ready to start. Let me show you what I'm going to be using for live streaming. HD 1080p. That is the highest resolution at this given time. I should be using the Rode Wireless Go attached to the phone, and hopefully you'll hear the sounds. So let's get started in